Create apowerful obsidian magma riftate effect in PLAB witte a dark volcanic ice status. Begin witte a deep black charcoal background and subtle smoke haze. Isebold, Jafai typography witte a glossy obsidian texture, creating realistic reflections and sharp metallic hegelights. Add glowing orange red magma visibly rauge dramatic crack splitting across the letters, as if molten rock is breaking rauge the surface. Apply a strong inner glow, soft outer glow, deep shadows, and subtle dread extrusion for depth. Scatter tiny sparks, embers, as a particles, and fine smoke around the typography. Use blur and contrast adjustments to enhance the fiery atmosphere. Finesse with a cinematic lighting, warm hegelights, dark shadows, and rich color grading to create